In 1899, Nikola Tesla, or a genius known for his discoveries in the field of electricity and magnets, claimed to have caught a mysterious signal that he believed came from outer space. The claim came when he conducted an experiment with a high-powered radio transmitter in his laboratory in Colorado Springs, United States. Well, that event became one of the most interesting stories in the history of Tesla's discoveries, which to this day still arouses debate and curiosity. So, at Tesla's laboratory in Colorado Springs, equipped with cutting-edge technology at the time, there, Tesla experimented with electromagnetic waves to try to send energy wirelessly. One of the tools he used was a radio transmitter that was able to capture signals from a distance. In one of his experiments, Tesla recorded a very different repetitive signal pattern from ordinary electromagnetic disturbances such as lightning or human-made disturbances. Tesla noted that the signal seemed to be unorganized, like patterns on purpose. According to Tesla, this pattern did not resemble the natural phenomena known at the time. So he suspected that the signal came from alien intelligence, and at that time he thought if the signal came from Mars. In his writing, Tesla described his surprise feeling, saying that he felt as if the door had opened to interplanetary communication. So what was caught by Nikola Tesla at that time? Although Nikola Tesla suspected that this signal came from an alien intelligence, many scientific communities at the time made the claim. This happened for several reasons. First, lack of understanding of radio waves. At the end of the 19th century, radio technology was still in its early stages. Knowledge of how radio waves interact with the Earth's atmosphere, or how natural signals from outer space can be captured is still very limited. The second reason is the possibility of signals from other sources. Modern research shows that the signal that Tesla heard may come from natural phenomena such as cosmic radiation, ionosphere interference, or even from neutron stars called pulsars. This is quite reasonable because at that time the existence of pulsars was not yet known, so Tesla had no evidence to understand the signal. If Tesla's signal really came from outer space, most likely it was a natural phenomenon that could not be understood at the time. For example, a pulsar is a neutron star that rotates at high speed and radiates radio waves periodically. The discovery of pulsars took place in 1967 by Jocelyn Bell Burnell, almost 70 years after Tesla's experiment. Many modern scientists believe that signals like this may have been captured by Nikola Tesla. However, even though there are many objections to the discovery of the signal, Tesla himself is convinced that the signal came from a smart creature. His belief reflects the way the visionary thinks, which makes it continue to push the limits of human knowledge. Tesla's idea of interplanetary communication, although not based on strong evidence, helps pave the way for serious exploration in the field of astrobiology and life search outside the Earth. And even though Tesla's claim has never been proven, the idea that signals from outer space can be an effort for alien creatures to be an inspiration for scientists in the future. Tesla's thinking spurred the development of the concept of interplanetary communication, which is now the essence of projects like SETI or Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. SETI is an organization that uses advanced technology to detect radio signals from outer space that may come from smart creatures. SETI itself has operated for several decades with the aim of detecting signals from smart creatures in outer space. Throughout its history, there have been several strange signals that have been detected, but so far no one has been able to confirm that they came from aliens. One of the most famous signals is a signal called WOW, which was detected in 1977 by the Big Air Radio Telescope in Ohio, United States. This signal is very strong and has characteristics that make it different from ordinary signals. Unfortunately, this signal only lasted 72 seconds and was never detected again, making its origin still a mystery. In addition, the SETI organization is also interested in unusual light variations from stars named Tebi. Although most of these variations are described as dust clouds, they have tried to speculate about the potential of alien megastructures such as the recent Dyson sphere, which has also been discussed by the public. With all the things that have been done earlier, has SETI ever found proof of aliens? So far, there are no signals that have been detected by SETI that definitively came from alien life. Finding signals like WOW or other signals continues to be a research subject. However, all hypotheses are still very open and certainly await the emergence of the latest findings from SETI to continue to accumulate signals which are likely to come from intelligent life on Earth. Then, in connection with yesterday's discussion about the Black Knight satellite, some recent conspiracy theories link Tesla's discovery to the satellite. The Black Knight satellite is a popular term for a mysterious object claimed to orbit the Earth and suspected to be an alien technology. This theory supports the belief that the signal received by Tesla may have come from the Black Knight satellite, which is believed to have been in orbit for thousands of years. However, there is no scientific evidence that supports the existence of the Black Knight satellite. Many images and reports related to this object have been described as Antarctic pewing, such as thermal cloak cuts from space missions. Claims that Nikola Tesla caught signals from the Black Knight satellite are more likely to be speculative and not based on concrete facts. But it's a growing conspiracy. Modeling an interesting fictional story and linked to famous scientists like Nikola Tesla, many people prefer to believe that conspiracy than the scientific facts that have been conveyed. The story of Nikola Tesla and the mysterious because it combines elements of mystery, science, and the potential of alien life. As a scientist who often goes back in time, Tesla offers an inspiring perspective even to this day. Although he does not have modern tools and technology, he feels like he wants to know, and his courage to speculate about unknown things makes him an extraordinary figure. So, is the signal captured by Tesla really from aliens, Black Knight satellites, or just ordinary natural phenomena? This question may never be answered. But one thing is certain, this story describes how extraordinary human capacity to dream and also explore. In a world full of uncertainty, Nikola Tesla's story reminds us all that knowledge and great discoveries are often started from the courage to ask. This story is not just about strange signals from outer space, but also about how the desire to know can push humans to cross existing boundaries. And like Nikola Tesla, maybe we just need to listen carefully to find miracles in this vast universe. And yes, that's all I can say on this occasion. As usual, hopefully it can provide new insights about the world of astronomy as well as entertainment for all of you. Don't forget, there will still be a lot more interesting discussions about the world of astronomy that I will deliver. And of course it will be a pity for you to miss it. So, stay tuned with us, Nasi and Angkasa.